Hi again, first grade. Happy Tuesday. Today we will continue to identify and use commands correctly. We will do this by finding commands in a sentence and underlining and circling command words, key words to help us find a command. Why is this important? So that we can become better writers. Remember that a command is a sentence that tells someone to do something. A command can end with a period, or a command can end with an exclamation point if it shows strong feeling. Pick up the pencils. Just telling you to do something. You can get up and pick up pencils. Wait for me! Shows strong feeling, so it ends with an exclamation point. A command is a sentence that tells someone to do something. When we use the words that, this, and those, it can make a command clearer. So look at this sentence with me. Pick up this book. It is telling you which book to pick up. So it's making the command clearer. Wait by that sign. Which sign does it want you to wait by? That sign. And help those children. It's telling you which children? Those children. So that, this, and those are words that can make a command clearer. Another way they are used is that, these, and those. So if we say stop that car, we know which car to stop. So it's telling us to do something, but it is also making the command clearer by saying that car. The next sentence says close these windows. These windows. It's telling you which windows to close. Now look at these two sentences and think for just a minute how those two sentences are alike. How are they the same? If you're thinking they're both commands, you are absolutely correct. Both of them tell somebody to do something. Now look at those two sentences again and see if you can tell me how they're different. What is different about those two sentences? If you saw the ending marks were different, you're exactly right. Stop that car ends with an exclamation point. It shows strong feeling. This command, close these windows, is just ending with a period. It's just telling you to do something, but not showing strong feeling. Okay, let's practice finding some commands. Okay, so I'm going to read each sentence, and then I want you to tell me, yes, it's a command, or no, it's not. Remember, a command is going to tell you to do something. Okay, so look at sentence number 1. It says, paint more spots on the giraffe. Is that telling me to do something? Yes, it's telling me to paint more spots on the giraffe. So I'm going to put this crafty little check mark next to the sentence that is a command. Number 2, does the leopard like his spots? Well, I know that ends with a question mark, so it must be asking me something. Asking me something is different from telling me to do something. So that is not a command. Number 3, stand still while you paint. Is that telling me to do something? Yes, it's telling me to stand still, so I'm going to put a crafty check mark next to it. What about number 4? Those paints are new. Wait a minute, didn't we just talk about the word those and that it makes commands more clear? I did, but this sentence is using those differently. It is telling you something. It says those paints are new. It's not telling you to do something. Okay? So there is a difference in this those. This is just telling you which paints are new, not to do something, okay? So it is not a command. Now we're going to look at number 5. Stay away from wet paint. Okay, that is showing strong feeling right there, but it's also telling me to do something. Stay away from wet paint. So that is definitely a command if it's telling me to do something. So good job, friends, finding those commands. Now it is your turn to find some commands. You are going to use the pencil or the pen tool on your iPad. You're going to draw a line under each command. Commands tell you to do something. So is this a command? Pick up your socks. Yes, it is telling you to pick up your socks. So you're going to underline that command. The next part of your assignment says read each command and circle the words this, that, these, and those. So you're going to find those words, those command words that make commands clearer, and circle them in each sentence. Find this, that, these, and those, and circle them. Then you're going to click Save at the top of your iPad, go back to your assignment, and turn it in to your teacher. Okay, let's review what we talked about again today. Today, we reviewed that commands are sentences that tell someone to do something. A command can end with a period or an exclamation point. And commands can have use words that, this, and those to help make a command clearer. Commands can also use that, these, and those to make a command clearer. Then we found the commands in these sentences and put our crafty little check marks by them. Then you're going to draw a line under the commands, and then you're going to circle the words that make a command clearer. This, that, these, and those. And then you're going to turn everything into your teacher. Have a great day. Bye.